Graph a line using slope-intercept form. This, my friends, is the best way to graph. Do you remember what slope-intercept form looks like? What? You didn't answer? Okay, great. Y equals mx plus b. M is the slope. So remember, we want slope to be a fraction because we have the change in y over the change in x. Are we going up or down, over? Are we going left or right? That's the idea of slope. And then we have the y-intercept. So in the equation, if you would have a plus 4, that means you go up 4. Because the plus signs are the same, so the 4s are the same. If you would have a minus 3, that means you're going to go down 3 on the y-axis. We always start with the y-intercept, and then we use the slope to find our next point. Let's do it. Graph y equals 3x minus 2. So let's recognize what we have. We have a slope of 3. The number in front of x is the slope. Let's make that a fraction. We put it over 1. Because this is positive, we're going to go up 3 and to the right 1. Because if you think about your axes, the y-axis to go up is in the positive direction, and on the x to go right is the positive direction. So that's why that works. And the y-intercept. You'll notice it's a minus 2. So my y-intercept is minus 2. That means we are going to start this problem by going down 2 on the y-axis. Now my slope is 3 over 1. So I'm going to go up 3 to the right 1. And there's my second point. Up 3. I can do this as many times as I want. And then we're going to draw what should be a straight line through the points. Let's do one more. Graph y equals negative 5 halves x plus 4. Our slope is negative 5 over 2. That top number is negative. So I'm going to go down 5 and right 2. If you are a visual learner, draw the arrows when you're recognizing your pieces. Ain't nothing wrong with that. And then my y-intercept is a positive 4, the number all by itself. So positive 4, y-axis, that's where I start. Up 4. Then, going back to my slope, I'm going to go down 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And over 2, 1, 2. So there's my next point right there. I draw my line through those 2 points, put arrows on the end because this goes on forever. And I have graphed using slope-intercept form.